Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Students, this is science lesson and our topic is solids, liquids and gases. First of all, we will read about natural resources. Let's see what are natural resources. A natural resource is something found in nature. People can use natural resources to meet their needs. यानी कि नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज जो हैं ऑलरेडी नेचर में मौजूद होते हैं और लोग इन नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज को अपनी ज़रूरियात पूरी करने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट आर नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. सन इज़ द नेचुरल रिसोर्स ऑफ हीट एंड लाइट. forests are natural resource. Rocks are natural resource. Minerals are natural resource. Animals are natural resource. Air is natural resource. Oil is natural resource. Water is natural resource. Soil is natural resource. So students, these are all natural resources. Now let's see what we get from the natural resource. Plants, we get fiber like jute and cotton from the plants, and we get wood from the plants, and plants are natural resources. Animals, we get wool, leather and fur from the animals, and animals are natural resources. Some materials from the ground like metals, precious stones and clay, and these are natural resources. Students, we use natural materials to make other materials. These are called man-made materials. यानी कि हम नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज से कुछ चीज़ें बनाते हैं और उन नेचुरल चीज़ों से बनी हुई चीज़ों को मैन मेड मटेरियल्स कहा जाता है. लेट्स सी व्हाट आर मैन मेड मटेरियल्स. Plastic is man made and it is made from oil, and oil is natural material. Glass is man made and it is made from sand, and sand is natural material. Paper is man made and it is made from wood, and wood is natural material. So students, we have learned today about natural resources and how get we things about it very well. Inshallah, in next lecture we will learn many other things. So take care. Allah Hafiz.